Okay, in this video, we're going to show you how to remove the hard drive from a laptop before you recycle it. You possibly will need either a Phillips screwdriver or a Torx screwdriver to do this. We have to remove the back covers first. And then when we remove the back covers, we're going to remove the memory chips, which we could either use in another laptop or give to somebody else. And then on the hard drive, we're going to destroy it by smashing it with a hammer. And then after that, we will be safe to recycle the whole unit. Once we get the covers off, we're also going to show you the little clips that you have to move to get the memory out. These are the little clips that we're pointing at that have to be removed to lift the memory out so we can reuse it. This is the memory we're talking about being able to reuse. Now the next cover we remove will be the hard drive, and this is the one that we're going to smash with a hammer or something to destroy it, so nobody can remove the sensitive data if you have any sensitive data on there, like bank accounts or any kind of numbers like that. With it, we're just going to unplug this plug. Now the hard drive is ready to be smashed with a hammer. And now we can recycle this wherever you take your stuff to recycle electronics. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to our channel and like and give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much.